In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile accounts in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a reconciliation session so your books line up with your bank or credit card statement. Reconciliation is simply the process of comparing what the bank says happened with what you've recorded in Zoho Books, so you can confirm accuracy and catch any missing entries or duplicates. It's best done regularly, typically at the end of each statement period. Before you begin, have your latest bank or card statement handy. You'll need two key details from it: the closing balance and the statement end date. It also helps if your recent transactions are already recorded in Zoho Books, so the process is smooth. Open Zoho Books and go to the banking section from the left pane. You'll see a list of your connected or manually created accounts. Click the account you want to reconcile. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct account, especially if you manage multiple checking, savings, or card accounts. Once you're in the account view, look to the top right of the account page and click the gear icon. This reveals the account options. From there, click Reconcile Account to start reconciling. This takes you into the reconciliation setup screen. Here's the important part. Enter the exact closing balance shown on your statement, and then enter the statement end date. These must match your statement precisely. If your statement shows a negative balance for a credit card, be sure to enter it exactly as displayed. If your account is in a foreign currency, use the currency and amount shown on the statement. Double check for decimals, and make sure you're using the correct statement period and date, not today's date. When everything looks right, click Start Reconciliation. This creates your reconciliation session using the balance and end date you provided. If the numbers don't align with your recorded activity, Zoho Books may show a difference. In that case, review the statement end date and closing balance you entered, and ensure you're reconciling the correct account and period. After you start, you'll be taken into the reconciliation view, where you can methodically compare what's in Zoho Books with what appears on your statement. Keep your statement nearby and proceed steadily so you can pinpoint anything that needs attention. If something looks off, it's often a date, amount, or missing transaction causing the variance. And that's it. You've initiated reconciliation in Zoho Books by selecting the account, opening the gear menu, choosing Reconcile Account, and entering the exact closing balance and end date before starting. Keep this routine consistent, and your financials will stay reliable and audit ready.